Alright, I am doing another recipe video. This one is this book, Cooking with Mickey, Volume 2. It is not dated. I don't see a year in it, but I think it is from the 1990s, possibly early 2000s. I've seen the newer cookbooks they sell now, and they're not this old school binding, so I'm pretty sure this is 1990s, 2000s. So these are all recipes that at one time have been at Disney. I have done too many sweets lately, way too many sweets. So for the next couple recipes, I'm gonna focus on meat dishes. So in this book, I lost it already. We are gonna do a beef satay with peanut sauce. So yeah, this is a simple beef shish kebab. Is that what they're called, shish kebabs? So we got beef tenderloin. We actually only got 1 pound because it's only the two of us. We got the bamboo skewers, peanut butter, coconut cream, chutney, and then soy sauce. Robert already got the bamboo skewers soaking. That's way, oh my God, you're not allowed up here. Seriously, I have better control of these animals. It's just, he's a bad boy. I'm sorry about that. He saw the beef and he's like, I'm going for it. My other cats do not do that. He is a boy, so he's a bad boy. Anyway, where was I? All these ingredients for the sauce. It says coconut cream. I actually could not find coconut cream. I got coconut milk instead. I hope that's the same thing. I don't know. And then I had to get new peanut butter because I had ran out. And then I found this chutney in the Indian aisle. It looked good, so that's what we're gonna make our peanut sauce out of. So for the beef, it doesn't talk about seasoning it. It just says cut tenderloin into 1 ounce strips, thread onto skewers, blah, blah, blah. All these ingredients are for the dipping sauce. Just in case we don't like the dipping sauce, we did do a basic seasoning on the beef. It's just salt, pepper, and it looks like he added something extra. Not for sure what he added, but just in case we don't like the sauce. We don't want the beef to be plain, and then it looks like we're also gonna add our own onions on the skewers. So anyway, Robert's gonna get the grill going, and I will add to this in a little bit. Alright, so for the sauce, in a small saucepan, you combine peanut butter, coconut cream, chutney, water, and soy sauce. Bring to a boil and reduce heat to a simmer. Stir well and remove from heat when well blended. So it was 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup coconut, 1/3 cup chutney, and then 1 cup water, and then 1/8. And then it doesn't say how much soy sauce. Dash soy sauce? I guess that's not a brand, and just, I don't know. It does not say how much soy sauce. So anyway, let me get all that combined and I will start that simmering. Alright, I put all the ingredients in that bowl except water. I still have to add water. Robert said this dash is a measurement, not a brand. So he just put a dash of soy sauce in. Anyway, I just need to add the water and I will start boiling that. Right, Robert's got the kebabs on the grill. Oh my God, those look really good. I got the peanut sauce simmering. It's a beautiful day. I get to hear all the traffic. Good times. Oh my God, I'm gonna be so excited about the onions. I'm glad you thought about adding onions. They look really good. Alright, I'm gonna go check on the peanut sauce. Alright, this is the peanut sauce. It did thicken up very well. In the beginning it was too watery, but after it simmers down a little bit, it does thicken up. I've tasted it several times. It's very, very good. I did add a couple more teaspoons of the chutney because I felt like it had too much peanut butter flavor. I've never had chutney before, and I will have to say this was awesome. I might just buy this to dip chips in the future. This is very, very good. It's a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness. This one was sweet mango preserve with ginger. Really, really good. The problem with chutney is there is 20 billion different kinds of chutney. So, and I have never made chutney before, so this was the only jar we found. But it worked out. It's a good flavor, and it's working well with the peanut butter, and the soy sauce. So it's just a unique sauce. And then I also just made some scallop potatoes. Is that too hot to lift? Just some simple scallop potatoes to go with the meat. So Anyway, that's almost done, and then we will get it plated up. So in all these recipes, it says where this was served. It's special events, Disneyland Hotel. So that's when people have special events like weddings and I don't know, businesses rent the hotel and stuff. I don't know, whatever the special events were. So it wasn't actually a restaurant. It's just when there was private events. So all in all, this took about 25-30 minutes. Not too bad. Here is our plates. So like I said, I made scalloped potatoes, the peanut sauce, and the beef skewer. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later. So my plate is demolished. I just wanted to add really quick, this peanut sauce was amazing. I will make sure I have the recipe for this in the description because you all have to try it. I think it would work great with pork and chicken, and I'm just like, I want to drink the rest of this. It is so good.